Well, good morning. Welcome to another Countryside Adventures vlog. Saturday morning at deer camp. It's raining. Do we go out or do we sit here? So I'm climbing into my stand this morning, and there's this guy up here hanging out. Hey, buddy, you gotta get out of my way. I gotta get right there. So you move. Well, good morning. Welcome to another Countryside Adventures vlog. So today is November 1st, 2025. And so Colin and I have been on a bow hunt down in Brady, Texas, but this is our first bow hunt up on the north end of Texas. So Brady is now south, for anyone not familiar, McCullough County. So as you can hear and probably see, I'm not sure, but it's starting to rain pretty good. We've had some passing showers come through, so I've been in my tree stand since I guess about 5:30, 5:40, something like that. So we hunted last night. We bow hunted. So we bow hunted last night. We bow hunted on up to October 31st. I'm still bow hunting. As you can see, got the Hoyt hanging there, and up on my tree stand, I got my pack hanging there with my S-spinner, and just built a little platform, keep my stand in place, and my feet are out there. Zoom in so you can see that. So anyway, it's the first day that Colin has hunted with a rifle, and he is actually hunting with my old 243 Winchester Model 70 that I've owned probably since I was, just taking a guess here, I think I was about 10. But with him being 18 now, he's actually hunting with my old Winchester 243, and this is the first time he's ever hunted with a rifle. He's always bow hunted, and he's actually already taken a buck. So I'm going to give it about another 10 minutes or so, and time's starting to tick because he just shot it a few minutes ago, sent me a text. But I'm going to start working my way out of this stand. I'm going to get my phone in a dry bag here in a second, and I will make my way down to him, and we'll catch up down there. So anyway, hope you enjoy the outdoor content, and I'll see you in a few. Quick vlog update. So I am up here with Colin, and you can see that blind back here in my background, and I'm gonna flip this, and he has a buck down. So we are gonna get to work. As you can see, it's not getting any more comfortable out here by any stretch of the imagination. So it is basically work, so we're gonna get at it. And look who's coming. Alright, now just swing his rear end over there.
Yeah. Like this out of the way.
Hooperson.
Oh, that deer's heavy.
Okay, quick update. I don't even know what time it is now. I haven't looked. But obviously you can see the sun's getting up. We got this guy field dressed. So you can see he's got a pretty amazing spread. So we're going to get that little foam target off of him pretty quick. But right now we're just trying to literally get out of the field. So we got the blind all cleaned up. So the plan is, Colin wants to do a head mount out of this guy. So we are probably going to call it a weekend. We're going to start packing up. We're going to head up to the processor and see if we can go see our buddies over at Alpha Taxidermy. So we're going to keep moving. We'll update you as we go. All right, so there's Outpost 174. Colin and I have basically done a mad dash to get things packed up. We got 2 frozen blocks inside of our deer cavity. We got it closed up in the bed of the truck with the bed cover closed. So we have a way to get it cool. We got it out of the sun. So we obviously want to respect this animal. It's absolutely gorgeous deer. I'm so proud of Colin. So we are going to, we're going to get backed up here and see if we can start heading out. So I need to drive. I'll see you in a few. So if you've seen any of our RV videos, this is kind of the stuff we prepare for. And so with that, you know, there's got to be a market for stuff like this, I would think, because we don't need one of those crazy, like the Oprah brand campers or the RVs that looks like you could drop it off of a mountain and it would survive. But I like the idea of, say, the one, I think it's the 199 MB8 from Jayco, something like that, because to me that's just enough off-road for things like this. But our little Outpost 174 is doing a great job. Quick pit stop on the way to the processor and the taxidermist. This is where we had lunch. Can't be Braum's, but it was quick, ran in and out. The temperature started to get up. 70 degrees. We got to go. All right, it has been a long day. So we started about 5:15 this morning, and it's about 5:15 this afternoon, and we've had our deer under the bed cover, and we've had ice blocks in there with it. We are now at our favorite little meat market here. We are at Gorman's, and so we're going to pull around back and drop off a deer. So for anyone that hasn't done this, I'll kind of give you an idea how this works. So we're going to pull around back, and you will see basically an industrial freezer. So as we go, and here is a CWD testing site. So let's go see what they got.
I'm Sarah with Gorman's Meat Market. I'm one of the owners.
And what do you do here?
Well, we have lots of good products. We sell meat directly from the farmers to the table. We do deer processing here, and we are going to be pretty busy. We're excited to see y'all.
Awesome. So support your local business. That wraps up today's vlog. We'll see you outdoors.